Okay, I'm super excited about this update that I've just discovered inside of my Facebook groups that I have to share it with you today. Now, you may not be seeing this just yet, but hopefully it's going to be rolling out to everybody because it's going to be an absolute lifesaver for all of us that use video inside of our Facebook groups. So I'm going to show you it now and then we can talk about the implications of it later. Okay, so here we are inside of my Facebook group. So I'm in Facebook, I've gone to one of my groups. Now, this is a fairly new group. It's only about 3 or 4 weeks old, and I've just started posting in it because I've just let the members come in. Now, what I did yesterday is I did a live into the group, and then what I did is I went to the live and I clicked on the video. And I went over here to these 3 little dots and I did the drop down and then I clicked the edit video option. Now, as you can see, when I highlight it, it says edit details, tag people and add captions. Now, this is showing up in all of my groups as this option, but this is what's different. And this is what I'm hoping that you're all going to be seeing fairly soon, because this is going to solve everybody's problems of a thumbnail, just like the one you're looking at there. See how I pause that video? I've got my eyes shut, my mouse half open. That's not a nice thumbnail. And that's what's happening in Facebook groups at the moment, that Facebook is just choosing the thumbnail for you, or it's giving you a selection of thumbnails that aren't always very nice, and you can't upload the thumbnail to your Facebook group. Watch what's just happened. I click edit video. And look what happened. I have the full video editing suite that you have on your Facebook business page. So not only can you add a title, which we used to be able to do, and we used to be able to change the description, I want to move straight down to the thumbnail option. This is where this is going to change everything for all of us. Before, we used to have this auto-generated images. So you could choose from one of the images that Facebook chose for you, depending on the length of your video. However, now they've done this custom image. So what I can do is I can actually add an image from my computer. So I can add an image and it's going to open my computer up and it's going to allow me to grab a thumbnail. So there's a thumbnail I did earlier. I'm going to go ahead and click that and it's going to open up. So now what I've done is I've created a thumbnail and uploaded the thumbnail to my video inside of my Facebook group. This is the point I'm trying to get across to you. This is inside of my Facebook group. Inside of my Facebook group, not on my Facebook business page. This is inside my Facebook group. So I'm just hoping that they're going to roll this out really, really quickly. So Facebook, if you're listening to me, please, please, please roll this feature out to absolutely everybody, because this is going to be so useful for everybody who creates video content from inside of their Facebook groups. Not only can you do a custom image, but you can also choose a frame from the video. So before we used to have the selection random, now you can actually drag your slider along and actually choose a frame from your video as well if you wanted to. I'm going to stick to my lovely uploaded thumbnail. Also inside of the thumbnail is that you can do distribution. So I'm not 100% sure whether this is going to happen because we don't have series inside of groups. We have it in our page. But still, this might be coming because I noticed when I did my Facebook Live, which I'm going to do another video on in a second, when I did a live inside of the Facebook group with using the Facebook Live option, it gave me the option to share the video to other groups that I managed. So that's something of interest. It also gives me to make it available on pages. It also allows me to upload captions and make them auto-generated, which we did before. And of course, we have our lovely polls as well. So I'm just going to click save so you can see that it's going to save that thumbnail to my video. So let's just go ahead and do that. What we need to do then is I'm going to close this down and I'm going to refresh my group page. And I'm going to, again, do it and just catch that screen. There, you see, before it plays, the thumbnail is there, ready for you to see. So this is an amazing update by Facebook, so that it will allow you to add your Facebook group video thumbnail externally from one that you've created before. So just to go over that again, click the video, day, which is standard time. When go over to the 3 little dots, click the 3 little dots, click edit video, wait for it. Ta-da! And there is the video editing producer that we normally see on our pages, actually inside of my Facebook group. Now, this is what your Facebook group edit looks like normally. If I click this video, nothing happens, does it? So it gives you, the only option is to click the 3 little dots, click edit post, and all you have is to edit the description and things like that. So I'm hoping that means that Facebook is rolling this feature out to everybody. And at the moment, it's stopping things happening with you editing your videos. So I was wondering if you could do me a favor. If you could go and check out in your own Facebook group whether you're seeing this update. So go over to your Facebook group, remember, click on the video, then click on the 3 little dots, click on edit video and see if you get the new video producer. After you've done that, come back and let me know in the comments below whether you've got it or not. Okay, so I'm so excited about this feature because this feature is going to really help us as business owners using groups to run maybe training courses or like pop-ups that I'm doing at the moment in mine. Anything that you do, if you're going live inside your Facebook group and you're going live regularly, you'll be able to actually edit the video properly, add that all-important thumbnail that we weren't able to do before, add it straight into your video. So you can go away and use Canva or another photo editing tool, create your thumbnail in there, come back to the video, upload the thumbnail, and it will look so much nicer inside of your Facebook group. So please do like this video if you've loved this update. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to hear about any of the latest updates coming out of Facebook, Instagram, or to do with video marketing. And please share this video with anyone that you think might benefit from knowing that they can now update their video thumbnails inside of their Facebook groups. All I have to say is thank you for watching. Have a super, super, super awesome day. My name is Anita Wong, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.